Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Solving Questions. Today I am going to teach you the memory base of RRB NTPC 2020-21. I will teach you how to do in a short technique, very easy. So let's do the first question. The first question is, find the cost price of an article which is sold at rupees 1500, giving a profit of 20% to the shopkeeper. So to do this question, just we have to convert this 20% profit, into fraction. How much? 20 by 100, 0 cancel, 2 5 equals to 1 by 5. Now this 1 is profit, this 5 is total cost price. So since the here 20% is profit, so we have to add 5 plus 1 by 5 equals to 6 by 5. Now 6 is selling price, this 5 is cost price. Now we have given selling price 1500. Now multiplying with 250, we get how much? 1500. That's why we also have to multiply with 250 to get the cost price. To how much? It is 1250. So the answer is C. Next question. If LCM of two numbers is 324 and HCF of these two numbers is 54 and one of the number is 108, then find the other number. To do this question, we know that LCM into HCF equals to product of two number. Therefore LCM is given 324 into HCF is given 54 equals to one number is given 108, and we have to find the other number. Let it's X. So now X, we have to find X. So 108, 324 into 54. 54 cancel 2 times cancel 162. So the answer is B. Next question. The efficiency of A is twice the efficiency of B. If A and B together can do a work in 8 days, then find in how many days will B be able to do the work alone. It is very easy. This question is from the time and work. Here it is talking about efficiency of A and B. Ratio is given. A ratio B. A is twice times A. So total is how much? Together in 8 days. Then total is how much? 2 plus 1 equals to 3, and together they work 8 days. So total work is 24. Now we have to find in how many days B alone can complete the work. So B can do in 1 day 1 unit. So divide 24 by 1, we will get 24. So the answer is D. Next question. The ratio of income of A and B is 5:4. If A earns rupees 5,000 more than B, then what is the combined salary of both A and B? It is very easy. This question is from partnership. So the income of A and B in ratio is 5, 4. Now mind the question. Here it is said A is earn more 5,000 rupees than B. So we have to deduct the 5 minus 4 equals to 1. This 1 is equivalent to 5,000. So 5,000. So A will become 5 into 5,000. How much? 25,000. And B 4 into 5,000 equals to 20,000. Therefore total is 45,000. Answer is B. Next question. If 4 bells ring after every 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds and 40 seconds, find after how many minutes all the bells will ring simultaneously. To do this type of question, we have to find LCM of given seconds. We have given 4 bell ringing seconds. So to find LCM, write 10, 20, 30, 40. We know that 10 and 20 is the factor of 40, so we can cancel it. Now find the LCM of 30 and 40. So 10 3 times, 4 times. So LCM is 10 into 3 into 4 equals to how much? 120. Now 120, it is 120 second. So we have to convert it into minutes since the answer is in minute. So 120 by 60, it will how much? 0 0 cancel, 2. So answer is 2 minutes. Next question. Tan of 26 degree plus A equals to cot of 36 degree plus A. Then find the value of A. This question is from the trigonometric. So to find the value of A, we need to use the formula. We can now first we write the question. 26 degree, tan 26 degree plus A equals to cot whole into 36 degree plus A. So either you can apply the formula, you can also apply tan cot. Left side, right side, you can either use the one formula. So tan 26 degree plus A equals to tan 90 degree minus 36 degree plus A. Why it is 90 degree minus? Because in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all the ratio of sign is positive. That's why here we have to minus from the 90 degree. So 10 cancel, 26 degree plus A equals to 90 degree minus 36 degree minus A. So bring A in left side, twice A equals to 90 degree minus 36 degree minus 26 degree. 90 degree minus how much it is? 12 1 62. 12 8 6 1 8 28 degree. So therefore A equals to 28 degree by 2 equals to 4 equals to 14 degree. So the answer is D. Next question. Numerator is 2 more than the denominator of a fraction. If 4 is added to the numerator and 12 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 3/5. Find the original value of the fraction. It is very easy. The examiner confused the students. Just we have to mind the question. Here numerator is 2 more. Say that 2 more than the denominator or fraction, but we just look the fraction here, 3/5. Now it is denominator, it is numerator, but here said the numerator is 2 more than denominator. Just we have to reverse the fraction. 5/3. Here it is, the numerator is becomes more than denominator 2. So the answer is D. Next, A can do a work in 20 days and B can do it 30 days. If A starts the work and work for 6 days and leaves the work, then B can complete the remaining work alone in how many days? Here A can do in 20 days, B can do in 30 days. Find LCM. So LCM is 60. Now A can do in 1 day how many units? 3 units of work, and B can do in 1 day how many units? 2. Now A starts work and work for 6 days. A start works and work for how many days? 6 days. So total units he did how many? 18 units. So total remain work will be 60 minus 18. 2, it is 42. This 42 remaining work will be done by whom? By B. B can do in 1 day how many work? 2 units of work. So divide 42 by 2, we will get 21. So the answer is 21. Next, find the value of sin square 60 plus cos square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree plus sec square 45 degree. To do these questions, just we have to know the value of sin, cos, tan, sec. So sin square 60 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree plus sec square 45 degree. We know that sin 60 degree will be √3/2. So here it is square plus cos square 30 degree also √3/2 square plus tan 45 degree is 1, so 1 square plus it is √2. It is √2 square. Therefore 3 4 plus 3 2 4 plus 1 plus 4. So the answer is 4 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. Sorry, it is 2. It will be how much? 18 by 4 2 2 2 9. So the answer is 9/2. Answer is B. Next question, find the remainder when 8 to the power 24 is divided by 9. Just you can do in second. It is 8 to the power 24 by 9 to 9. Here in numerator base 8 to be 9, how much it need 1. So 9 minus 1 to the power 14 9. So it is cancelled. So minus 1 equals to 24 equals to 1. So the answer is B. Next question. In school, 90% of students pass in examination and 87 students fail. Then how many total students were there in school? Just you can do in second. Just we have to in resume method we can do it in just second, right? 90%. 90% of students pass. It is pass ratio. Then fail how much? 10%. Fail. And total is how much? 100. Total is how much? 100. Now ratio 100%. Ratio cancel. 1010 cancel. This 1 is equal to what? 87. So total will be how much? 87 to 10 equals to 870. Next question. In a class of 90 students, the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 4:5. If 18 boys join the class, find the new ratio of the boys to girls. So total student is 90. Total student is 90 and ratio of boys and girls is 4:5. We know 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So 9 is to 10 equals to what? 90. So it will also 10, 40, it will also 10, 50. So 18 boys join. So divide it, add it. How 8, 5 is to 50, 2, 25 to 29. So the answer is answer is A. Next, an article was sold after a discount of 12.5% on the market price. If the selling price of the article was rupees 49,000, find the market price of the article. It is very easy. Discount is there. Just we have to convert this one percentage into fraction. We know 12.5% is 1/8 in fraction. Now since it is discount, so it is 1 is discount, it is what? Market price. It is what? Now we have to subtract 8 minus 1 because it is a lost. So 7/8. It is selling price. 7 is what? Selling price. 7 is selling price. It is market price. So 7 is 49,000. By what multiplying with 7 gives us 14,000? It is 7,000. So multiply 7,000 with 8 gives us how much? 56,000. So the market price is 56,000. Next question. The ratio of sum of investing scheme by A and B is 3:8. If both of them invested the amount of same duration, then find the total amount of received by A out of total profit also. So given scheme ratio embedded is A is to B, A is 3, B is 8. So total 3 plus 8 equals to 11. This 11 is what multiplication give us this marks. So it is 11,000. So now we have to find the total amount received by A. So A is how much? Here 3. So 3 into 11,000 equals to how much? 33,000. Answer is B.